Welcome back everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna start creating our components, and first component that we're gonna create is Navbar or Navbar section. So let's create folders in the source files. We will create Navbar folder, but first let's create components, and components. Inside the components we're gonna have rest of the folders. So let's create Navbar now. Then let's create pages, not file, folder, pages, and that's it for now. Two folders. Inside the Navbar folder we're gonna create navbar.jsx. Okay, now when we got the navbar, we need to import it in another component called home. Inside the pages we're gonna create home.jsx. Okay, over here we're gonna import navbar from, let's check it out, navbar. When that is done, we will go to the app.js and we will import pages, but let's first create one more file called pages.jsx, and over here we're gonna import home, import home from home, and inside the home let's import navbar, like that. Let's go to the app.js. Let's get rid of this hello world and let's put pages over here. Oops. So pages, let's import the pages. We can go to our application and it's Navbar. Great. So let's start adding styles to our Navbar component. Let's go back to the Navbar. We'll put a class here, class name, and it's gonna be flex, justify, gonna be between items, center, border 1, border it's gonna be gray 100, also width full, and we will add left right of 44 and width of top bottom of 2. We will import port link over here from our React router DOM. Now we're gonna wrap something into the link. Let's create a path. It's gonna be just a slash to the home page, and let's create a div inside. That div gonna have the class name. It's gonna be text 3XL, font bold. Then let's add text gray of 900, dark text of white. Okay, and we can add that font called bot that we created in the previous video. So let's add a span over here. Inside the span we're gonna have social media, and let's add a class name to it, text, transparent, then bg it's gonna be clip, text, bg gradient to right, it's gonna be to red of 600 and from blue of 400. Okay, we will add the app here, and we're gonna create another div here that's gonna be for another component, and one more gonna be under this div. So for another component, let's go check this out. Okay, nothing is rendering. Is everything good in the console? Okay, we need React router, so we're gonna get rid of this for now, and we're gonna import router later when we're gonna be using it for our login, register, and other pages, not now. Okay, let's get to the Google and refresh right now. Everything is working, and this is our social media app. We also can add maybe spacing over here like that, and now everything is okay. Let's create another folder inside the navbar, new file called navlinks.jsx. We're gonna import that navlinks inside our navbar over here. Navlinks. Okay. After that is imported, we'll provide a class name here, flex, justify. It's gonna be center, items, center, and margin auto, left, right. So let's go to the navlinks. Inside the navlinks, we're gonna import some icons, but let's first add a class name over here. Class name, it's gonna be flex, justify, center. Then we're gonna be adding items, center, and cursor. It's gonna be pointer for us. In that div, we're gonna create another div with a class name hover. It's gonna be translate by top and bottom of 1. Then duration, it's gonna be 500, is in and out, and we will add hover on our text with the color blue 500. When that is done, let's now import our icons. For that, we will go to the Google, type hero icons, and inside here we will take the home. So let's take this SVG, paste it down here. Next SVG is, but first let's create capital letters. Let's put capital letters over here, and like this. Now everything is okay. Under this SVG, we will provide another SVG. So let's just create a div with same class name. So just copy this class name and provide it here. Inside that div, we will have envelope. Copy this envelope, provide it down there. Again, name is gonna be like this and like this. We can also check that inside our browser to see what is going on. And here we are getting icons that got hover effect on them. So another icon that we gonna be adding is a trophy or cube. Cube first. So cube transparent. Let's go back. Let's create another div. Inside that div, let's paste that and paste class name to it. Get rid of this name. And one more div, and that's gonna be the last icon that we're gonna be adding. Let's copy the class name, paste it down here, and let's go to the Chrome again and copy, search for the trophy. Let's copy it, go back, paste it down here, and I will show you why am I changing the names. If we go to the inspect consoles, as you can see, console is screaming at us because need to be with capital letters. So let's close it. Let's go back to the Visual Studio Code and change that to the capital letters. When that is done, we can check it out. They are over here. And let's add maybe a margin. So over here, this icon, we can add 4, and at the last icon we can add 4 as well. I mean like this, and we'll cut this from here and put it to this icon. Let's go to the Chrome, and it's much better right now. Let's create another component, new file called user links. So let's create user links.jsx. Inside the user links, we're gonna have some icons as well. Okay, first let's create class name here with flex justify. It's gonna be center items, center cursor. It's gonna be pointer. Inside this div, we're gonna put div with the same class name as over here. So let's copy it from the nav links, go back to the user links, and paste it like that. What we're gonna be adding next, now we're gonna be adding those icons. The first icon, it's gonna be user circle. So let's go to the hero icons, user circle. Let's copy that and let's put it down here. Again, change to capital letters. And we can copy this div class name for another icon, paste it down here, and let's create one more div with the same class name. In the first one, the icon that we're gonna be using is a wrench. So let's go back here, wrench. Let's copy this one and paste it over here. Change this and stroke width. Okay, another icon is bell. That's the last one. Bell, not ball. Copy SVG, go back and put it over here. Stroke width, class name, and like that. Let's save it. Okay, when that is done, let's check it out. We are not rendering it, so let's go back to Navbar, and over here let's paste user links. Now let's go back, and we are getting them over here. We can also add the class name with margin left right of 4, and let's go back, refresh. Okay, nothing is happening. Check it out. Where did I add it? To the class name. That should be okay. Okay, we will see for that later what is going on. Oh, we are into nav links. Let's go to the user links. That's my bad. And over here we're gonna put 4, and they are looking much better, but we need to fix this now. Let's go back to the nav links. First not, second, okay. We need to get rid of this. And let's check it out. Okay, and provide it for the first one. So first one, okay, nothing, and second one need to have 4. Let's check it out. The second one and the last one. So let's copy them. And yeah, that's what we are looking for. So let's go back to the user links, and inside the user links we will be adding an image now and a tooltip. So for the tooltip we're gonna go to the material tailwind. Let's go there. Tailwind. Inside the material tailwind we're gonna go the bottom here. We're gonna import this tooltip. So let's go back to our app. Let's paste it at the top here. Button, we are not gonna be using button. We can delete that, and we can import avatar from the tooltip. So let's go to the avatar and let's import this avatar. Okay, after that is done, we can import the image that we're gonna be using just to show it. So it's gonna be avatar from, and it's gonna be assets slash images slash avatar dot jpeg pg, and okay, this is it. Let's go back to the bottom for svg, create a div. Inside that div we're gonna put the class name here. It's gonna be left right 4 temps center, and let's add tooltip inside. Tooltip, that tooltip gonna have its own properties, content with a sign out, and it's gonna be placement, it's gonna be bottom. Inside the tooltip we're gonna have avatar. That avatar gonna have source. Let's add source, and it's gonna be avatar for now. Later we're gonna add the image, the user image. Size, it's gonna be small, and alt, we can add avatar. Okay, under the tooltip we're gonna have the p tag with a class name of margin left of 4, font Roboto in our case, text is gonna be small, text black, and font medium, and no underline. Inside that text for now we'll just type user. Let's go to the Google, let's check it out, and here is our user. We need to put the flex over here. We forgot about flex. Let's go back to the Google, and this is our user. Our navbar is done for now, and in the next video we're gonna be creating another components. So this is it for this video, and see you everyone next time. Bye.